There was a cat, and the cat was very playful. There was a book, and the book was interesting. There was a tree, and the tree was tall. There is a bird, and the bird is colorful. There was a man, and the man was honest. There is a shop, and the shop is open. There were 2 dogs, and the dogs were friendly. There is a movie, and the movie is exciting. There was a car, and the car was fast. There is a room, and the room is clean. There was a child, and the child was happy. There were apples, and the apples were fresh. There is a teacher, and the teacher is strict. There was a river, and the river was deep. There is a cake, and the cake is tasty. There were guests, and the guests were early. There is a phone, and the phone is new. There was a dog, and the dog was barking. There were students, and the students were silent. There is a pen, and the pen is blue.